So it seems Google has redeemed itself and actually got me into a scenic road along the Narmada Canal. So yeah. So right now we are on Gujarat State Highway 11 and we are going towards Dabhoi. So eventual destination being Jambu Ghoda. So I'm just basically taking these drives to get used to the fact that I can travel solo. Because, sitting at home and since lockdown, we and Rafty wife have been traveling together. So it kind of becomes difficult to take trips on your own. Sometimes. And at the same point of time, it is difficult sometimes to plan trips together. Right? There's a lot to do at home. There's a lot to do at work. So yes, when you have time, that is only when you can take trips. So Crafty Baby said I need a good afternoon nap, and while you are just sitting at home, explore, drive. So I am off to Jambu Ghoda. Road is good. Gujarat State Highway is na. Some places yes, but most places good. But driving, yes, driving is a little haphazard. Like then again, that is the case most of the places. Driving is haphazard in this country. Wrong side driving, like yeah, dekho. Check this out. This truck at least he was trying to take the U-turn fast enough. But still, yeah, like why can't you just go to the next U-turn? How much would you save? You would actually end up saving somebody's life and your own. Like after the recent mishap that happened in Jaipur, could have been avoided. That's what I think. It could have been avoided. Anyways, we have train line right next to us. So thank you for likes, shares, comments on the previous videos. Okay, Mr. Rickshawala, you have to give me space. See, they really don't want to give you that much space, right? So, not good. So today is 31st of December, so this is going to be the last vlog for this year. And by the time I'll upload it, it'll be New Year's, so Happy New Year's in advance. So I hope you guys had a fantastic Christmas. We did too. Gifts, cakes, and a lot of laughter. Unfortunately, we could not make it to Nagaland this year. But then again, maybe next year. There is always next time. Right? Yeah. Maybe I'm not supposed to take flights and trains anymore. I should basically end up driving, right? It'll be fun driving this one all the way to Nagaland. It was fun driving the Safari as well, but the age was showing on that vehicle. Like it served me well for almost 12 years, though. The age was a factor with that vehicle. And also, I am trying something different now because, I already have a certain amount of viewership on this channel. So, if I keep changing too many things, narration-wise and everything, that subscriber base actually goes away. And YouTube actually gets a little confused. So, yeah, so I'm actually hoping to start another vlogging. Come on, Mr. Tiago. Move it. Move. He's taking his sweet time, isn't he? So yeah, so I am going to start another channel as well. I'll share the link of that as well. It's mostly the narration is going to be in Hindi, so those people who would like to watch similar content but maybe in Hindi, yeah. Yes. So right now it shows 66 kilometers, 1 hour 16 minutes away. Let's go to Jambugora. So there is a traffic jam. Now the traffic is still moving, at least that is good. Only problem is people just can't keep themselves in their lane here. Usually this road does not have traffic jams, so let's see what is causing the traffic jam. No. Oh wow, nice green fields and there are lots of birds. I think finding grasshoppers. Every time Crafty Wifey sees a rice farm, she's like, oh, let's find some grasshoppers. Okay, so there is a board that says caution accident prone zone. And there's a traffic jam. So these days you have to be careful on your own. You can't depend on the other people driving with all their senses, right? Because the biggest problem is people like to hold their mobile phones in their hands while they drive. Right, so if they get stuck in situations, they can't get out of it because, there's so many things you can multitask. So if you focus on your driving, that is another thing. So I have seen some bloggers out there as vloggers as well. They will actually hold their phone in their hand while they vlog. I do not subscribe to the idea. What you can do is get a phone holder and paste it on your windshield or whatever. The only reason right now I'm not recording myself is because I do not have a holder to put my other GoPro and to get the right angle. So I don't mind not capturing particular footage, but then again, you have to be careful on your own. Anyways, let's see how long it takes to get out of this traffic jam. Yeah, we'll keep you updated. And let's reach Jambugora. So it seems the reason for traffic jam is because there is a railway crossing here, and just now there is a train that has crossed. It is causing a traffic jam because the road is narrower. So you have 4 lanes of road which are merging into 2 lanes of. Chaliye ji, Lord Alto, chaliye. Arey, Babaji is doing a great job. Very nice. And then there is a height restriction. So there is a truck which has stopped. So there should be some way to check overloading. Seriously. Anyways, there are a lot of other things that are omitted, so forget checking overloading. I think On the way back, I'll take another route. I'll be following a different route. Route. I'm having fun on my own. I feel good driving on the highway. That is something that I really like. You got an open stretch of road. So now it is 62 kilometers away, 1 hour 8 minutes, and let's. I love HP petrol pump. There's so many I loves happening. I think it all started with I love New York, and probably New York will end up replacing that I love New York board one day. People will have I love this, I love that. Nice chilled out weather. Temperature outside 30 degrees. 30 degrees is comfortable temperature. You know, high 30s and low 40s is. I guess you have summers are pretty hot in Gujarat. Check this out, guys. Lovely tree canopy over the road. See, this can only happen in, like, we always curse single lane roads. But, you know, if you want canopy like this, it can only happen on single lane roads. It cannot happen on dual carriageways. So, this is something that you'll only find on single lane roads. Fantastic road, butter smooth. Oh, there is some plot auction going on. Maybe we should buy some land, huh? So we've just crossed Dabhoi Electric Locomotive Shed. Apparently there is a locomotive shed in Dabhoi, which I never knew. And I've been staying for years and years in Vadodara. So anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying this video here. Come on, please, if you are enjoying it, hit the like button, please. Share it with one more person. That's all I say. I'm happy every time I gain one subscriber. Okay? Recently I gained 17 subscribers in one day. I was like, wow. 43 kilometers remaining with 43 kilometers, 52 minutes. But I find beeps and bongs in Toyota much better than the beeps and bongs in Hyundai. I think the cars beep and bong a little too much these days, you know. It's good that it's telling you about stuff, but sometimes you just don't want to be told. Too many beeps and bongs. Pansoli. So, according to Google, now we have to turn on National Highway 756. भाई साहब हॉर्न मारने से
Turn left onto National Highway 756.
Yes, Googles, I am following your orders. So I would really like to tell you where we are. But all the signboards are in Gujarati, so unfortunately I cannot. Let's see. We can find another signboard.
Continue on National Highway 756 for 10 kilometers.
Okay. So our total distance now is 11 kilometers, and Google says you have to go for another 10 kilometers. And if you keep going straight down this road, you reach Pavagadh or Halol. The one time that I actually, so Jambugoda, according to the board there, is 13 kilometers. Okay. Yeah, so as I was saying, I have tried to go to Pavagadh, and the one time that I actually ended up going there, it was so busy that apparently there was restriction of the number of vehicles that could go. So I had to turn back and come back. I'm still trying to find where I am. I am somewhere. Yes, I am somewhere right here. Well, if I do find out, I'll let you know where I was. I can tell you a lot of, okay, so I'm in Bordelli right now. So yes, thank you to AM Traders because they've actually written it in bold right there, Bordelli. So yeah, so I'm in Bordelli. So here we are. Turning right. ये देखो जी.
In 400 meters, turn right.
जब फिर से राइट लेके जाना है क्या गूगल जी? ये जी जाम्बूगोड़ा की तरफ हम राइट को मुड़ गए हैं. हाँ. पहली चीज. So Google brings you to some very weird places sometimes. Now I think I have to take a U-turn in these narrow streets and go back because I was trying to find something called Jambugoda Fort. Okay. Now there are nice pictures tagged, everything, but the street signage is not there. So we are kind of stuck a bit. Now we have to go back. And you can enjoy the lovely sights of the tabelas. Okay. Let's wait for that to go to pass and then we can go back. Okay. Oh yeah, very sinister looks from the ends of. Anyways. See, Google just can't decide which way to go right now. I'm still trying to find direction. Anyways, yeah. Let's see. Let's go back now. So hey guys, Asupanda back again. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for like, share, comments on the previous video. So yeah, I'm trying something new. So I hope you guys like it. I'm basically just trying to get accustomed to the fact that I can drive alone on my own. So I took this lovely drive Now I've just realized that, you know, if I get stuck in those narrow streets, it'll create a lot of problem for me as well as for everybody else. So yes, the drive is fantastic, the roads are fantastic, and I'm sure there are some activities to do there which I probably can explore at another point of time. But yes, now it's time to head home. So if you're here and if you enjoyed any part of the video, please hit the like button, please share it with at least one more person, and see you in the next one. Until next time, Oshikimthi Tawa.
Head south on
So it seems Google has redeemed itself and actually got me into a scenic road along the Narmada Canal. So yeah, there you can see, nice and peaceful, lots of water flowing. Kenji right here, very happy in his element. So I thought actually I'd end the video there, as you know, like, but then again, sometimes, yeah, Google does bring you down some good roads. So yeah, absolutely enjoying Kenji right now, you know? So yes, so I think this will be probably the official end of the video. Like, share, comment, and until next time, Oshikimthi Tawa.